Test. Sekejap. Oh my. Game. Ramainya. Nampak ke? Saya nak cuba. Apa Sakura nak cubalah. Kau boleh dengar suara Sakura? Waalaikumsalam. Hello. Sorry tak, saya cuba untuk baca chat korang, boleh nampak tak? Cuba kita Sakura, boleh nampak tak? And boleh dengar tak suara Sakura? Nampak? Dengar? Okay, nice. Ya. Aku nak test live pakai handphone. Aku nak test live je. Saja nak test. Okay, for those who asking, kalau ada yang dah friend dengan Sakura kan, ada yang tanya macam mana kenapa Sakura online hari-hari? Sakura sebenarnya nakkan skin ni tau. Mana skin? Ni Chayin. Apa suka kat Chayin? Ya. Tiba-tiba hai Syokir. Yeah. Damn. Kenapa semua terkejut ni? Adai. Semua terkejut pula. Tiba-tiba ni surprise live stream lah. Sakura saja cubalah sebenarnya. Ayo. Hello Mela. Hello. Show it to them. You want me to show to them your profile? Ni. Profile awak. Belum profile pun. Ni tengok stop dia.
A unique story, spirit and texture.
Zoom in, I can. I use prison light. Pakai telefon. Mana boleh zoom in? Dah. Benda ni. Hello. Tak payah. ML Sakura main tak? Tak. Sakura tak main Minecraft pula. Sakura tak main ML. Sakura main ni. Main HOK je. Ya. Okay lah. Lalang tu buat lah kan. One round? Nak tak one round? Siapa nak masuk? Cubalah lama tak main. Wow. Kita main biasalah. Okay. Ya. One round. Kenapa Sakura tak main Burgi Cozy? Tak, nak main sebenarnya Burgi. Tapi hari ni Sakura nak test pakai telefon je. Ya, so hari ni tak main. Esok main. Esok Sakura main. Okay, Burgi. Esok Sakura main. So tunggu esok ya. Okay, anyway, siapa nak masuk? Belum idea. Tu belum idea masuk lah. Janji. Ya. Apa esok? Esok ni. Esok main Burgi. Esok pun ada karaoke. Siapa nak masuk Sakura punya Discord boleh masuk Discord untuk karaoke. Siapa nak masuk? Boleh lah. Ada list ni. Kita cuba. Kenapa kualiti macam apa sekejap? Sakura cuba. Nampak ke korang? test. Okay. Kualiti macam apa je. Masuk ke? Ada yang nak masuk ke? Minimum 79. Saja nak main satu round. Good luck in your matches. Thank you. Satu round, 1, 2, 3 round lah. Kita saja cuba kan. Mana it doesn't hurt to try kan. Sama ni Sakura pakai laptop, saja pakai telefon. Lepas ni Sakura pakai app lain. App ni macam kualiti tak okey je. Damn. Alah, dah delete ke? It's okay. I see, tak apa. It's okay. Kenapa? Boleh simpan dulu. Ada yang masuk? Ada Okay, Sakura start Satu round lah. Sekejap. Macam mana guna? Saya ada stream key. So saya connect dengan saya punya iPad, and then saya nampak chat korang kat iPad, and then dapat live di stream key. Dapat live di Telegram.
You are in the farm lane.
Stream key tu dapatkan dekat iPad. Lepas tu I just copy paste dekat telefon ada Prism Live ni. And Sakura dapat live. Dia kan connect dekat iPad. Macam tu cara dia. Boleh je pakai telefon. Tapi yang penting nak pakai stream key ni at least kena ada 2 device. So ya, boleh je nak pakai telefon. Ya. Sekarang cuba je live ni. Ada. Nanti Sakura ajar Chibi. Ya, sure. In the future, ya, sure. Assalamualaikum, waalaikumsalam. Halo. Suara Sakura jelas ke? Sakura takut tak jelas. Sakura tak puas hati dengan kualiti live ni. Kita cubalah satu round lah. Aduh, buat hal lah kualiti. Hayya. Tak apalah. Jelas. Okay. Solo je ni. Nak tanya Roblox boleh? Roblox? Ni okay.
Welcome
to
Honor of Kings.
Ayo.
Let's binge
Enemy
like no
minions will
tomorrow.
arrive in 5 seconds. All forces, move
Nampak
out!
jelas ke korang?
I
Cuba
trained
tahu
10
sikit.
years for this match.
Sakura kat monitor ni tak nampak pun. Tak jelas pun.
We do not tolerate insincere advances.
Ya, ini
Everyone, protect our crystal.
Roblox. Ayo. Tak pastilah yang tu. Wow.
Enemy missing.
Sekejap, Sakura fokus game je.
Wow, you're merciless. Good stuff. An enemy has been slain. It's dangerous here. Bukan. Pergi tak dekat sini esok. Sebenarnya nak live pergi hari ni, tapi Sakura nak test live phone je. Esok pergi Jangan risau. Enemy missing. So save your date. So
Copy that. An enemy has been slain.
sakit. Ya, kira ni lebih kurang je.
An enemy has been slain.
Halo Suci. Ini dikira
Roses don't need anyone's protection.
kira-
They can protect themselves just fine.
surprise live stream dah. Ya. Selamat petang. Ya.
Killing spree.
I think
Princes
I'm
and
gonna
knights
use
aren't
other
welcome
apps
here.
other than stream.
I'll consider poets
other
though.
than Prism. Dia macam entahlah. Okay ke? Nanti Sakura tengok balik live ni. Yes. Biar dulu. Nah, ni jap.
To test one's sincerity, a clear head is needed.
Tiba-tiba naik. Ya, ini dikira surprise. Dia bukan dalam jadual Sakura. Sebab Sakura nak test pakai telefon, sama dia kan pakai laptop. Ow! Sakit!
It's your time to shine.
You have been slain. Fabulous.
Nice!
Unstoppable.
The Overlord and Tyrant have spawned. Princes and knights are welcome
Balliste have
here.
spawned.
Oh ya,
Consider
hari ni
poets,
kami tu
though.
kan buat watch party kan.
An ally has been slain.
Enemy
double kill.
Sorry, my bad. Don't let it get to you.
Thank you Melo for the share.
The flowers
And then,
here only bloom
for
for
the light.
sincerity.
Kau nampak ke jelas live ni? Cepat sikit ni.
Ally has been slain.
Ni memang
I'm tired of the
video
flattery.
yang Sakura
Come
saya
back
pakai.
when you have something
Dengan
original
Roman.
to say.
Hai, sabarlah. Wait,
You have been slain.
what happened?
Enemy
Yes,
kill.
from just now. Sebab ini hero lain, I can use Sakura boleh midi. Pakai
We
Angela
do not
ke,
tolerate insincere advances.
pakai Saki. Lady Zen.
An ally has been slain. Your turret has been destroyed.
Sabar. Ow! Ayah. Mana ni?
Your turret
Wah!
has been destroyed. Your turret
partner
has been
here.
destroyed.
Enemy in our jungle. Help me get rid of them.
Oh, sampai sakit. Apa jadi?
Enemy in our jungle. Help me get rid of them.
Kenapa Sakura?
Your turret has been destroyed. An An enemy has been slain.
Yeah.
Enemy in our jungle. Help me get rid of them. Your team has destroyed a turret.
Poets, though.
Soalnya okey je.
Copy that.
Alah, live ni. Alah. Gameplay tak betul pula. No.
Enemy in our jungle. Help me get rid of them.
Kau boleh tak boleh.
I'm tired of the flattery. Come back when you have something original to say.
Apa target ni? Yes.
I knew you'd pull through. Drop your hypocrisy.
Baik.
The flowers here only bloom for sincerity.
Oh, serius ah? Okay. Suara lagi kuat. Sekarang okey tak? Sekarang okey tak?
Copy that.
Sekarang suara lagi kuat ke Sakura lagi kuat? Hai. Ya, hello.
To test one's sincerity, a clear head is needed.
Sekarang better ke? Budak diamond.
An ally has been slain.
Game masih kuat. Oh, serius ah? I see.
Godlike.
Sekarang? Sekarang better ke? Kenapa Sakura diamond? Ni kenapa?
You have been slain.
We dapat kill. Diamond.
An ally has been slain.
Slow sikit lagi. Damn. Jap. Sekarang better tak? Sekejap. Sekarang better tak suara? Suara Sakura jelas lah tadi. Tapi bila clash tak dengar sangat. Oh, I see. Alah, hai. Macam tu pula. Giant dulu. Geram Giant tu. Sikit. Ni dapat dah tadi. Sikit. Sweet.
Ally has been slain. Triple kill.
Wow. Incredible.
Suara dia kuat. I see. Okay.
Something original to say.
Sekarang suara Sakura kuat ke suara game lagi kuat? Sebab Sakura dah ubah dah tu.
TTWP.
Bye Sakura, bye Penga. Yeah, thank you for joining. Hey. Mine, it's mine.
Ally has been slain.
Giant dulu. Sabar. Tidak. Go. Oh my.
lalu tadi aduh.
Double kill. Ah, sorry. My bad. A minor setback. Not to worry.
Thank you.
We got this.
Uh. Uh. Thank you yang bagi like. Dah 3k like kita.
The flowers here only bloom for sincerity.
Ni nak kerja rank Sky ke? Dengan rank Hami. Hami pun diamond tak silap kan? Sekejap lagi saya check balik.
Retreat.
Apa je? Oh, diamond 1. I see. Let's go. Yang atas tu sabar.
Aren't welcome here. I'll consider poets though.
Ya, atas tu.
Unstoppable.
Bersini.
Nice free EXP. Shut down.
Giant tu. Pandai dia crowd control.
Slain an enemy.
Ish.
Roses don't need anyone's protection. They can protect themselves just fine. Charge.
Masa depan ni mesti start. InsyaAllah. Sakura, sebenarnya plan Sakura nak Giant punya skin baru. Sebab Sakura pun main Roma tau sebenarnya. Shoot. Dia kuat tu. Apa kau tak Nice.
Enemy has been slain.
A clear-headed.
Could be dia. Ya. Rindu nak team dengan awak.
Charge. Copy that. Princes and knights aren't welcome here. I'll consider poets though. I'm tired of the flattery. Come back when you have something original to say.
Risky.
Been slain. Your team has destroyed a turret.
Tak ke depan pula.
Anyone's protection, they can protect themselves just fine.
Your team has destroyed a turret.
The flowers here only bloom for sincerity.
Your team has destroyed a turret.
Dia ada kuat ke kat control dia orang.
Nah. Buat cakap.
Assemble!
Ebe, thank you for the heart me. Thank you so much. Jarang Sky.
Assemble!
Masuk you. So aku nak masuk you dah. Hari Isnin depan. Dapat result hari ni adai.
An ally has been slain.
Betul. It's okay.
Ha, maksud you, hey. Hey. Yeah, it's okay. You deserve to rest, okay? Tak apa, tak apa.
I'm tired of the flattery. Come back when you have
Ni pun
something
comeback
original to say.
balik. It's okay sebab skin lah. Sebab
Open slain. Don't let it get to
Sakura
you.
ada Elsa punya pasal lah. Kuatnya. Banyak assist ni. Ayo.
That is needed. Your turret has been destroyed. Assemble.
Hey. Allah. Wow, wow, wow.
High ground tower is under attack. They can protect themselves just fine.
Siapa kata kalah? Serius? Serius kan nak Sakura menang? Apa ni kalah-kalah? Aduh! Ui,
An enemy has been slain.
Tak ada kalah. Okay. Mana?
Tired of the flattery.
Mana minion?
You have something original to say.
Kumpul.
Assemble. Assemble.
No, jangan lagi, jangan. Boleh lah. Okay.
Watch out for the Shadow Vanguard. Ally has been slain. Assemble.
Kenapa tengok? Tak tengok santai ke? Hey, thank you Rina for the fire.
My bad.
Assalamualaikum Cikgu Sakura. Waalaikumsalam Han. Ayo. Aku Sherry problematik. Faham? Itulah. Ada orang tu dia yang ajak. Lama Sakura yang main lama. Damn. Alamak. Stop. Cepat. Tengok tu. Doa daripada Faik. Awal Sakura live. Sakura ni lah. Test live je. Test live. Alamak. No. Ni dapat kill pun jadilah.
Your team has destroyed a turret. The Tempest Dragon has arrived. Battle begins.
Faik menang. Congrats. Damn, banyaknya mati. It's okay. We did great. It's okay. I lose them. Ya, ingat menang tadi. Tak apalah. Kalau ML ni boleh second tu nak menang. Thank you semua yang bagi gift dan semua tu. Thank you. Boleh lah. Siapa nak masuk? 5579. Boleh lah masuk. Sekejap. Sakura mau epic skin? Sakura nak ni. Nak November ni. Ni cantik. Sakura nak tu sebab Sakura ni ada giant. Skin tu je tak dapat. Yang lain semua skin dah ada dah. So kita cuba lagi sekali. Thank you for the repost. Thank you, Rina, for your repost. Aha. Jom kita cuba Roma kot. Ataupun Sakura cuba ni. Sakura cuba quick match. Yeah. Kan live gaming mobile ada app spesifik ke? Tu kat Sakura tu. Dia Sakura sebenarnya test pakai Prism Live, dekat app yang Sakura ni, dekat Sakura sekarang ni. So okay lah nak tunjuk live. Dia nak tunjuk karakter Sakura, nampak tak Sakura bercakap sekarang ni. So itu kegunaan dia. Kita boleh letak overlay pakai app yang Sakura pakai ni. Tapi kalau nak pakai mobile biasa boleh je, share screen je. Tapi Sakura tak nampak lah PNG tiba Sakura. Itu je. Ya, rasanya Sakura solo kot. Dia nak main ke? Ada siapa-siapa nak main ke? Kalau tak ada, tak apa. Sakura solo saja. Ni apa? Oh! Damn. Cik. Dah tekan dah? Ya. Ni quick match Asal tak rank? Nak rank ke? Lee nak rank ke? Why not? Damn. Nak rank ke? Korang boleh nampak jelas ke? Sakura punya live ni. Suara Sakura okay, dah jelas. Live ni? Tak boleh rank? Okay, tak apa. Download pun aku tak ajak. Tinggi sangat. It's okay, tak apa. Lee carry Sakura. Tak apalah, tinggi sangat. Sekejap lagi kita ni Kang. Sekejap lagi damn, mati. Tak apa, kita main yang ada ni. Ya, ada lagi nak masuk? Saya kurang bagi seminit ke apa ke? Sekejap. Sakura nak cuba mid lane balik. Sakura dah lama tak main mid lane. Sakura nak main mid lane balik. Okay Sorry kalau Sakura tak okay main mid lane. Dah lama tak main mid lane ni. Nak pakai skin yang Sakura suka. Sakura Diamond. Sure, but be careful. Sana kena ambush kita. Okay. Hang pun link. Link yang pun tinggi sangat. Wow, dah download. Parah ke lepas main rank ni? Tak apa, sakit. Oh, Haikal nak main ke? Boleh je. Kita tunggu jap. Room dia ni 6035. Ya. Ni. Oh, damn. Tapi hero tak nampak. I see. Hello Yuzan, hello. Hello semua yang dekat sini. Hero tak nampak? Maksudnya? Okey ke tu? Hmm, 6035. Halo Haruru, halo. Siapa lagi nak masuk? Kasih buat download. Ya, boleh je. Oh, hero tak nampak. Oh, dia tengah download tu kan. Ya, sakit. Nak kita orang solo dulu. Solo pula. Nak kita orang main dulu. Mungkin round 3 baru masuk. Dah uninstall game ni. I see, tak apa. Main dulu, okay? Kita main Li. Hai Hai Kak Sakura. Halo Kak Alisha. Hello. It's okay. Dinosaurs okay. Faham je. Sebab tak ada friend dalam ni dah. Oh faham. Sakura pun main for fun je. It's not my main pun. So Sakura just main for fun. Ada masa main. Kadang ada hari Sakura tak main. Ya. Tak sabar lagi. Lepas tu nak pergi jogging. Lepas habis hujan. Oh I see. Take care, take care. Ya, ya. Oh Haruto. Halo Haruto. Ya, ya. Nice, nice. Halo, halo. Oh. Ay. Huh? What? Wait, what? Hello. Hey. Ni. Eh. Hello. Ay. Hey. Wah. I just Nebula. Okay, okay, okay. Wow. Wow, wow. Okay. Tukar dulu. Tak main. Nak main apa ni? Kau nak jadi apa ni? Uish, uish, kuatnya semua. Kuatnya semua. Unexpected collab. Yeah, yeah. Okay, let's go, let's go, let's go. Wow, wow. Oh my, unexpected collab. W Nebula in the chat. Yeah, nervous. Hello, hello. Dekat tutorial Islam macam ni. Ni pakai app yang saya pakai sekarang ni. Wow, that is unexpected. Oh my. What is going... Haruto. Lee, korang ajak ke? Secret collab? Ya, secret collab. Then, thank you for the nasi lemak. Thank you for the sate. Otak-otak, thank you. What? Oh, okay. Boleh. Terkejut. Mid lane nak tukar ke Lee? Oh, mak. Oh, damn.
The symbol of true love.
Sure.
The secret to winning is on the other side. 三次元の世界にちょっとサプライズ。
Yeah, sure. No. Ni main biasa je. Mid lane? Sakura. Sakura keliru lah. Sakura. Oh, betul lah. Ya Allah, ya Tuhanku. What happened to me? Oh no. Sakura choke. Nanti dia rasa macam salah ke? Betul lah. Sini kalau hey. Tak apa lah Lee. Tak apa. Nebula, it's nice to see you. Oh my. Korang ni kan.
Welcome to Honor of Kings. Enemy
Okay.
minions will arrive in 10 seconds.
I'm so nervous.
All forces, move out!
Oh, I see. Tak ada bersatu ayo. Awal tu. Yang ni quick tau. Bukan klasik ni. Ni quick.
Help me get rid of
So
them.
yeah. Ow! 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 Hey! Hey! What is your problem?
An ally has been slain. An ally has been slain.
Beraninya dia.
想像力こそ最強の武器
Ah! Memanglah.
An enemy has been slain. An
Tak boleh, tak boleh.
Overlord and Tyrant have spawned. Ballista have spawned.
Okay, take care, Suci. Thank you for joining. I'm so nervous. Unexpected collab betul. Wow. Nak Sakura hantar balik ke live ni dekat YouTube? Entahlah, quality okey ke korang? Kalau quality tak okey, kalau aku tak hantar. Uish.
Has been slain. Sorry, my bad.
Aish. Sikit je. That was close. Allah, Allah, Allah. Allah, Allah, Allah.
Been slain. Copy that. Sorry, my don't let it get to you.
Maaf. Maafkan saya. Apa tak bergerak tadi? Ada.
Copy that.
異次元の世界でも私はちゃんと生きている
Bukan. Salah, salah. Sorry. Sorry. Sorry, sorry. Terambil. Salah. Oi, Damn.
An ally has been slain. Copy that. Copy that.
Apa nak jadi? Apa nak jadi?
Enemy rampage.
Ya Allah. Habislah. Habislah kita. Ish. Hei, ya Allah. Kena pula yang tu.
Killing spree. Shut down. Your turret has been destroyed.
人生に脚本
Your
が
turret has been destroyed.
Oh.
The Overlord and Tyrant have been enhanced. Cannons moving out.
Oh! I should have stayed belakang. What's wrong with me? Selamat. Tak apa, it's okay. Boleh je. Tak main for fun. Damn, nampak. Sorry, ya Allah. Oh, ya, 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 ya. Aish, apa ni? Weh, sakit, sakit. ilaha illallah. Kita tidak betul dah. Damn. Kau tahu Sakura pakai ni tadi tau. Pakai Lady Sun. Untuk Giant. Bagi shield. Main Shuki, main Shuki. Eh, pakai ultimate kak. Ikutlah. Okay, nice, nice. Ow, ow. Huh? Ada Sky? Huh? What? Kejap. Nah, I'm not okay. Nah. Nah. Lee. Haha. Sekejap. Halo Sky. Ya Allah. Sekejap. Allah. Ish. Memanglah. Ush.
They got lucky.
Ow! Ya Allah, ya Tuhan kau. Ah! Hello Kirin. Eh, macam mana? Macam mana korang boleh terdetik tiba-tiba apa tu? Ada collab dengan Nebula ni? Ha? Why me? Why me tiba-tiba? I don't know. Go. Y'all got this. Go. Yeah, Nebuya. Yeah, Nebuya is in dalam ni juga. Dia ada dalam ni juga. Ya. Let's go. Kuatnya. No. Ay, sikit lagi. Nice. No. Boleh korang. Oh my. Sekejap, mana tak okey. Halo. Halo semua.
Everyone attack the Tempest Dragon. Copy that.
Okay. Let's go.
Copy that.
On the way. Nebula. Oh shoot, no!
Shut down.
Oh, she's playing with the guy, yeah. Oh. Naruto, no! You got this! Hebat aku orang. Go. We got this. Come back. Yeah. Nice. Yeah.
We've got this.
Unexpected collab, unexpected comeback.
こそ最強の武器よ つまらない夢なんてないの想像力が足りないだけ
Ow! Ya Allah, ya Tuhanku. Oh yeah, at least I kill her. She kill me, I kill her. Damn. Waalaikumsalam. It's okay. Integrate. Yeah. Nice. Nice, go. Nebula! Main apa ni? It's okay. Oh no. Okay.
Copy that.
Let's go. Tu sikit gitu. Ya Allah, sikit lagi. Oh my, sikit lagi.
Retreat. Everyone attack the Tempest Dragon. Assemble.
Let's go. Kita boleh. Ayo. Good luck korang. Yay! Jadi freeze GG! Let's go! Thank you for the GG, Yami. Thank you for the heart me. That is really unexpected. Oh my. GG! Wow. Yeah. Nice. Who kidding? Let's go. WW. Wah. Wah, thank you for the GG. Agak tekak lagi deh. Okay. Thank you. What? Oh my. Korang. Saya nak jadi Roma boleh? Sekolah jadi Roma boleh? Nivea. Sekarang nak masuk ke? Dia apa ni? HK. Damn. Sekejap ya. Unexpected collect ni. Wow. Daripada Nebuya. Ingat ML bukan. Oh yo. Treasure box. Wow. Thank you korang. Sakura jadi ni tau. Sakura jadi Roma. Korang nak ajak tu ke? Nak ajak Sky ke? Trevor boleh menang. Ya. Tengok tu. Kan kita kalah, kita menang apa? Please ajak Sky. Ajak Sky Sakura jadi Roma lah. Sakura heal korang lah. Sakura heal korang lah. Alah dia invite. Ajak Sky jadi complete. Ya. Sakura nak tanya korang. Korang boleh nampak live dengan jelas? Again with the question. Just say boleh atau tak boleh. MCGG, what is MCGG? Ayo. Boleh. Okay, nice. Di mana Sky? Panggil Sky ke sini. Ajak Sky mari. Semalam pagi tadi, like pukul 4 pagi tadi, Sakura main dengan Sakura main dengan Hami dekat Roblox, main geografi. So kau tak boleh lah dengan flag tu. Macam mana Hami boleh tahu semua bendera? Thank you. You play HOK? Yeah, I play HOK. Thank you for the otak-otak. Thank you nasi lemak. Mana budak kecil tu? Thank you for the cake slice and Egyptian coffee. Ice cream cone. Thank you. So bagi nak masuk. Uish. Aki pun online lah. Wow. Nanti TV chat Sakura macam mana nak cari stream key. Okay. I can just tell it here kan. Sebab sebenarnya stream key ni akan ada yang live. Tapi Maruko-chan kena ni tau. Kena masuk agensi TikTok dulu. Baru dapat stream key. Thank you. Ghosty for the Rosa. Thank you. Aki. Hello. Alamak. Macam mana ni? Macam mana add Sky? Sakura keluar. Aki masuk lah. Sky macam mana? Macam ni Sky? Sky dah off. I see. Okay. It's okay. Macam tu kita main kita. Sakura jadi Roma. Ya. Kenapa? Dia dah on balik. Baru nak complete full Hoshizora VTuber. Ai! Dia! Oh! Hello! This is quick match. Quick match. Nak main normal ke? Quick match. Ya. Yeah. Dalam Sakura. Okay. Second color in the day. Dah marah pula. Sekejap. Kau main. Saya. Dah betul dah. Thank you, Sky. Uish, Sky pula cuy. Kita semua main. Yelah, Sakura je diamond. Kuat lah semua. Korang lah carry. Kita main quick match je, okay? Quick match je. Semua ready? Hari tu tinggi sangat. Ya. Second icon hari tu. Aisyah. Yeah, good luck. Let's go. Full Hoshizora VTuber collab. Saya goal lah. Ish. Apa goal? Korang goal apa ni? Tinggi you. Ayo. Let loose Sky. Mari kita saksikan ya. Sakura pakai Giant lah. Malam baru kita rank. Damn. Ya. Ai. Ya. Okay. Ayo. Jom. All the best. In 3, 2, 1. Sakura Roma lah tau. Then Sakura just nak test pakai telefon je korang. Kita jadi collab lah pula. Unexpected collab. So maksudnya live ni Sakura akan hantar ke YouTube lah ya. Jangan cop. Okay. Tak cop. Ya, pakai Giant. Yes. Hello kak, main apa? Main HOK. Ini surprise live stream je sebenarnya. Betul-betul surprise. Kita ada full Hoshizora di dalam live kita. Thank you MK Ducks for the follow. Thank you. Yo. Full Hoshizora. Wow. Sakura punya club sudah lama terdiam. Ayo. Semua dah ke halam masing-masing. CD. Ayo. Uish, Milady. Oh, skin tu. Cantiknya. Ya, moga menang. InsyaAllah. Ya. Thank you for the heart me. Thank you. 2-3 bulu tangkis sudah kalah, jangan nangis. Aish. Ya. Tak. InsyaAllah tak nangis pun. Boleh ni menang, boleh menang.
Welcome to Honor of Kings. Surprise party in the brush. Enemy minions will arrive in 5 seconds. Last to leave the base is locked and loaded. All forces, move out!
Sakura pakai skill 2 dulu tau. Baru pakai skill pertama, which is heal.
But luck is more important.
Yes. We got this.
Mystery box giveaway.
Tak kena pula. Alamak. Minta maaf. Alamak.
It came out of the ground.
Ally has been slain. Copy that.
Ambil.
Usagi Maru, hurry up and become invincible.
An enemy has been slain.
Ow. Tak apa. It's okay. Tak apalah.
It gets you.
Trying to drift. My finger slipped.
Copy that. The Overlord and Tyrant have spawned. Ballistae have spawned.
Friendship is when you always aim at your buddy when they're in the lead.
Retreat. An enemy has been slain.
Giveaway. I know you're in a hurry, but don't be.
No.
Ally has been slain. You have slain
Ay.
an enemy.
Oh. Ya. No, I'm sorry. Patutnya bukan kill Sakura tu.
Copy that.
Sikit.
Killing.
Sorry, Sakura tak ada niat pun untuk kill. Dapat kill tu. Jauh. Ish, okay, I should run. Thank you for the follow korang. Sekejap Sakura fokus game sekejap. Nice korang.
Your team has destroyed a turret.
Ya, ni Mok Hami. Ya. Oh, shoot. Baik.
The goal jumps at me. How strange is that?
Nice.
Enemy has been slain. Rampage. Good stuff. An ally has been slain.
No. Okay, nice.
Good stuff.
Someone put banana peels on the track? Who would have done
Your team has destroyed a turret. Your team has destroyed a turret. Cannons moving out. Your turret has been destroyed. Godlike. Enemy has been slain.
I know you're in a hurry, but don't be.
What the?
Ba-da-da-doo.
Your team
Real
has destroyed a
friends hit
turret.
each other where it hurts.
Hehe. Sana, 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 sana.
Talent is important, but love is more important.
Oh, no, sana. Ah, ay, 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 ay. Ow. Run! Run! Sky! No, got the Hida! No!
Your turret has
Damn.
been destroyed.
It's okay. It's okay. We did great. We did great so far. Tak apa, tak apa, tak apa, tak apa. Kita boleh bangkit balik. I'll be back. Lee! No, no, no. Okay, okay, okay.
Our high ground tower is under attack.
Report Lee. Damn.
Enemy double kill.
Lee!
Enemy in our jungle.
Nak lawan dah tadi. Tak apalah. Okay. Cantiknya punya spawn tu.
Mystery box giveaway.
Ow! Sakit dah! Ow, it hurts. It hurts so bad. Oh shoot. Sky! Kaya!
Copy that. An ally has been slain. Retreat. Copy that. Enemy killing spree.
Damn.
I wasn't trying to drift.
Come back?
My finger slipped.
Let's come back.
Your
Oh, sana, 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 sana.
destroyed.
Oh my god, sana tu.
It wasn't just sharks that came out of the ground. It was dinosaurs too.
Uish, panas. Phone panas.
Our crystal is under attack. Shut down.
Ow, 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 sakit, sakit, sakit. Just wait.
Your turret has been destroyed. An ally has been slain. Killing spree. Double kill.
Nice, 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 nice.
Everyone attack the Tempest.
Okay, 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 jom.
Spectacular.
Damn. Go, 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 go! Ah! Okay.
Someone put banana peels on the track? Who would have done such a thing? You're going too fast. Time to stop.
Sini, 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 sini. Ah, lagi, 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 lagi. Ah, lagi, 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 lagi. Ow, 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 ow. Sabar, sabar, sabar. Oh, damn. Ah! Yay! Menang! GG! Oh my! Wow! Unexpected collab, unexpected comeback. Menang dua-dua. Ya, ya. Nice ah. Wish. GG ya, GG korang. Wah, WW. Ya, ya, ya. Nice korang. Hihi. So Kelly did great. Ya, ya, ya. Kata troll. Ayah. Dah apa game? Dah game ketiga? Ya, ya. Ni game ketiga. Dapat B. Dah ke? Korang nak one more round ke? Round kah? One more round. Sakura pakai cain kot. Kami follow je. Boleh. Okay. Boleh eh? Boleh, boleh. Why not? Okay. Okay. Let's go. Normal Okay. Jom. Kita tukar normal. Macam ni tukar normal. Sakura buat baru. Buat baru. Sabar jap. Normal. Korang ajak Sky. invite Sky. Ya, let's go. Yay. Kirama. No. Ni tukar ke normal. Tadi quick kan. Okay. Ayah. Sky pula. Oh, patut tadi cepat. Yeah. Ingat pasangan main tadi. Nah. Apa? Next round. Yang kita boleh. Mohi. Okay, let's go. Kita start ya. Macam biasa, Sakura ambil Roma. Hahaha. Sakura suka hero orang. Kalau bak lawan, nombor 1 Sakura akan ambil farm lane. Lepas tu baru Sakura ambil mid lane. Mid lane tu yang ketiga lah. Ya. Nak jogging dah. Okay. All the best. Take care, okay? Ush, kita tim merah lah. Take care, jangan naik van putih. Ayo. Jangan naik van putih. Jangan ambil candy dekat stranger. Okay. Macam mana tu? Wow, ada wish Unless stranger tu cantik. Hey, stranger tu cantik pula. Faham? Saya tak tahu macam mana. Tapi saya tak pernah cuba wish tu. But yeah, try. Yeah. Macam biasa Sakura hantar ni kat YouTube lah kan macam tu. This is really last minute. Ooh. It's Anna. Wow, we have crossover Frozen and Bruce Lee. Wow, Lee pakai Bruce Lee. Memang kena. Kalau Sky culik, saya naik. Thank you, Kirin, for the rose. Thank you. Let's go. Pro player? Dia orang pro. Not me. Dia orang pro. Let's go. Tak kena pula. That's so good.
Friendship is when you always aim
Dabi
at your buddy when
dabi.
they're in the lead.
Ah, tidak, jangan, 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 jangan. Stun lamanya. Lamanya dia stun. Sorry.
Usagi Maru, hurry up!
Lamanya dia stun tadi. Jadi ais batu.
Appreciate it.
4 saat. That's so long.
You guys just chill. I've got this. Retreat.
Real friends hit each other where it hurts. La 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 la.
Ally has been slain.
Tak nak kena stun dah.
Killing spree.
The goal jumped at me. How strange is that?
Retreat.
It wasn't just sharks that came out of the ground. It was dinosaurs too.
Retreat. Copy
Thank you ya. Kejap ya. Sakura fokus game jap. Haruto! Tidak!
Ally has been slain.
Kita terpisah tadi. Ya Allah. Maaf Haruto.
Enemy double kill.
But love is more important.
The Overlord and Tyrant have spawned. Balliste
Thank you for the repost. Oh my god. Yeah.
enemy in our jungle. Help me get rid of them.
Damn. Iya pula.
Oops. Don't worry about it.
Ya.
Enemy unstoppable. Shut down. Copy that. Good
Someone
stuff.
put banana peels on the track? Who would have done
Geram.
Copy that. Copy that. An enemy has been spectacular.
the goal jumped at me? How strange is that?
Uish. Kirin. Kenapa dia buat kat Sakura macam ni? Astaghfirullahalazim.
Killing spree. Enemy double kill.
Apakah daya? Apakah daya kita macam ni 3 kali? Ya, memang lah.
Your turret has been
Apa ni?
An ally has been slain.
It's okay. Damn. We got this.
Your turret has been destroyed. Enemy in our jungle. Help me get rid of them.
Yuk, sana.
Friendship is when you always aim at your buddy when they're in the lead.
Been destroyed.
Just me, a little pick-me-up.
Enemy godlike.
Free power repair?
Ow, 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 ow. Stop stunning me.
Legendary. An ally has been slain.
Damn. Damn. It's okay. It's okay korang. It's okay. Biasalah. Hidup kita macam ni.
I wasn't trying to drift. My finger slipped.
Your turret has been destroyed.
Hurry up and become invincible. Someone put banana peels on the track?
Jangan stun. Woi, sakit. Takut. Oh shoot.
Make for a great snack. Good-a-ga-doo.
Tower is under attack.
Lish. Eli pula hari tu.
Your turret has been
Ya Allah.
destroyed.
Ya Allah, kita dah tersasul nama. Silap. Damn. Ya Allah. Kau ke belakang balik. Oh shoot. Oh, okay, Lee. Okay.
Kill.
Ya, halo. Halo, wish. Halo, H2O and Omo. Tak apa korang.
Tower is under attack. Your turret has been destroyed.
It's okay. Diorang sangat tak terkata.
An ally has been slain.
Damn. Oh, combo ke hari ni? Wah.
Time for my big debut.
Yeah, we did great.
The pain never met.
Nice. See? Yeah. Damn, how do you people see? I don't know. I don't use see. See for cute. Yeah. Ada kata moreng. Ada kata moreng. Asal kata nak rank tu? Jep. Main rank tu pro player. Ah. Nak rank ke korang? Tembak tarik. Ya. Si banyak main tarik. Sakit. Boleh je add pun.
Aw. Dah alang kalah ni, nak main lagi ke? Korang, cuba bagi tahu. Korang nak satu round. No. Tekan. Apa ni? Ayo. Sorry. Nampak ke? Sabar jap. Okay dah. Betul. Okay. One more. Sambil tarik sambil tembak. Ya betul, sambil tarik sambil tembak. Tang Sakura kepas. One round normal ke? Skill 2, skill 1, skill 2. Oh. I see. Ow. Sekarang okay ke? One last round. Ya. Mana ni? Dem. Terkeluar. Dem. Sabar. Thank you pada Harmi. Ada slot kosong lagi ke tu? Dah penuh. Damn. Kejap korang. Terkeluar. Kejap. Damn, dia crash. Crash tadi. Apa nak jadi ni? Circle crash. Tak pernah lagi macam tu. Kejap Start. Sekejap. Sakura punya live crash. Tak keluar dalam ni. Tak keluar dalam live. Tidak. Kenapa tak keluar dalam live ni? Hai. Sekejap. Kenapa tak nampak dalam live? Damn. Line problem? Could be. Screen saver. Aish. Tidak. Jap. Kenapa? Wait. Let's wait for a second. Aish. Tak keluar line. One last round. Okay. Live crash. Damn. Sekejap. Tak nampak I don't know what is the problem in this ni. But tidak keluar. Tidak keluar. Makin gelap. Nanti sekali keluar. Dia apa? Ayah. Sekejap. Sakura live dulu sekejap.